Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Goat unable to add payment method. So if you have issues adding payment methods on Goat, so here are some of the tips that you can try to fix it. So firstly, make sure that your app is up to date. So go to your Play Store and just check that your if there is any update for your app. If there is any, just update your app. So that's basically just get that check that. And once you're done, so what else you can do is make sure when you're accessing the app you have a perfect stable internet connection, uh, as well as your app is up to date. So apart from that, when you add a payment method, so for example if you're choosing a credit card, so just make sure that the card that you're entering is valid, especially the expire dates, like there is minimum 3 to 6 months of validity, and and your card is valid, and you have sufficient balance. So check all those things. If you're using any credit cards, so make sure that your credit card is valid. Or if you're using any other payment methods like PayPal, make sure that your PayPal credentials is right, and your PayPal account is sufficient with balance. So just make sure these things are right, these things are correct. So still, if you have issues with adding payment, then you can simply reach out to the customer service team. So you can simply go to this customer service team and then let them know that you have payment issues, and they can look into it as the last point of contact. So that's pretty much it is. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.